back to my channel. So I am back with this really pretty neon halo eye. It was inspired by, honestly I don't even know her username by heart, but she's really big on Instagram. I'm pretty sure you guys know who she is. I saw her look and I really liked it, especially because of the neon green in the middle, so I decided to recreate it. I really didn't like it at first, but I sent it to Shan, which is one of my best friends, and she was like, just add some purple, and I think she just saved the entire look, so huge shout out to her. And also we'll give you guys the details on this hair, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that, and also to see how I got this look. So you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and prime with my LA Girl concealer, of course, in the shade medium beige. So I am using the Take Me Back to Brazil palette for every color for this look except for the orange. I'm taking the orange from the James Charles palette just because I prefer this shade of orange more. So you know what, actually on this eye, I think I put the purple down first, but I don't really remember. It's okay, so purple, it didn't really show that much in my crease. So I'm going to be grabbing the yellow from the top of the palette. Okay, so while I'm blending, I just want to talk to you guys about this hair that I'm wearing. It's from ISEE Hair, and this is a straight Malaysian hair. They sent me a 18-inch frontal, and 3 18-inch bundles, but I ended up only using like what, 1.5 bundles of hair because their bundles are really long. I've only had this hair in for, I want to say, like 2 or 3 days, so I can't really give like an honest review, but I will tell you guys that I bleached it and it's holding up good. It's still soft. The only thing is it sheds a little bit, but I don't know if it's because I did cut some of the wefts when I was making the wig or what, but I'm gonna stand up so y'all can see how long it is. So I'll probably wear this one for a few more weeks and then do something curly. But let me tell y'all something though, like in all honesty, I've ordered from ISEE Hair before, like before I even had a channel, and let me tell y'all, this is my first time having their straight hair, but their curly hair. Matter of fact, if you go back like 3 videos or 2 videos, I forgot how many, but y'all see I had on that curly wig, that was from them, and that was hair I bought with my own money. And I will honestly tell y'all, their curly hair like shed so bad. I'm just gonna be honest with y'all, like the curly hair shed so bad, and it also married up a lot in my nape. So far I've had a good experience with the straight hair. Going back into my Take Me Back to Brazil palette, I'm taking the dark purple from over here and I'm gonna blend it into my crease. I'm gonna take some more orange and blend it out. I'm really not sure why I didn't put the purple down first. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut my crease with my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define foundation in F1. Also, from the Take Me Back to the palette, I'm taking this blue right here. I'm gonna blend that into the purple. So just to even it out some, because it's definitely crooked, I'm gonna take some more of my concealer. Okay, now I'm using my Maya Makeup Green pigment. I'm going to take that in the middle of my eyelid. pat that on, you can see it's kind of messy, but I'm going to take an M506 and just lightly dust on top of my eyelid. So I'm going to take this green glitter from Glow Glitters, and it almost looks like sand with chunky glitter mixed into it. So it's cute, but I just really want it to sparkle a little bit more, but it's fine. For lashes, I'm taking these lashes from Sass Lash in the style Wild Thing. So for my waterline, I'm taking the NYX Jumbo Pencil in the shade Milk, which is just a white eyeliner, and I'm going to put some right in the middle of my waterline, if that makes sense. I'm going to take this lip gloss from Shop with Shot Me, and it's really just clear, but it has glitter in it. It smells like candy.